The First World War began on July 28, 1914, and with it began one of the most destructive wars in human history. In the early stages of the war, soldiers were not equipped with proper protective headgear, with most wearing cloth caps or, in the case of the Germans, the leather pickelhaube, which provided little to no protection from debris such as shrapnel or large clumps of rock or dirt, caused by the intense fighting. This prompted the fighting nations to come up with a solution to this, and thus set in motion what would become the first modern combat helmets, beginning with the French M15 Adrian helmet, and today we will be unboxing a piece of this military history. The M15 Adrian helmet was introduced into service in July of 1915, and by September of that year had been issued to all frontline troops. The helmet was named after and credited to Intendant General Louis-Auguste Adrian, and the purpose of the new helmet was to protect the wearer from shrapnel caused by artillery shells, as well as from other debris kicked up by artillery fire. The introduction of these helmets resulted in a greatly reduced number of head wound fatalities from shrapnel and debris. The helmets, however, did not protect soldiers from direct rifle or machine gun fire. The Adrian helmet style proved to be very popular as a combat helmet, with many nations other than France using the design. The Adrian helmet saw use by Belgium, Italy, the United States, who used them before and alongside of their own M1917 helmet, China, Japan, Greece, many Eastern European countries, including Russia and Serbia, Morocco, Spain, and many South and Central American countries, including Brazil and Mexico. The helmet itself consists of a four-piece construction, unlike the later M26 Adrian helmet, with the bowl of the helmet, the two brim pieces, and the comb at the top of the helmet. On the inside, the helmet has a leather liner with either 6 or 7 tongues. The one that I have here is a 6-tongue liner. I believe that this helmet was left either in a barn or an attic for a while due to the overall lack of paint on the surface, as well as how dry and brittle the leather is on the inside of the liner and on the chin strap. But it is hard to find these Adrian helmets with the chin strap and the liner still present. This helmet has the standard infantry insignia present, showing a flaming bomb and RF for Republic of France. There are a dozen different insignias for the M15 Adrian helmet, as shown by the image that I will show right here. The M15 Adrian helmet is a desirable piece of military history for many collectors, and First World War militaria can be pretty expensive. Prices will vary depending on the condition of the helmet, of course. For this helmet, I paid around 100 euros, which is about 110 US dollars or 145 Canadian, which is about where the price lies for these helmets in this condition. For ones in better condition, they can go for upwards of $300 USD, depending on condition, insignia, the chin strap, paint, such as how much is left and if it has the original Horizon blue, or if it's been repainted, and the liner type, whether it's an early liner or a later war liner. This one didn't set me back too much, and they're always a great addition to the collection. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more historical content.